kyrtong jangka Congress Natura Parliamentary Constituency Saleng Sangma haka arpulai terik rempang, ulaong ba jusam kyiad yakibrio hakapor election. Saleng ulaong, ngam jusam kyiad hakapor election, lada kinu Kiba kwah kila banet kiwei, ngamla benterwa da kyiad yanu, ngala benlong ubaduk, lani amdei ubaduk, hendrei ngam jupen bernya da kyiad, lani kakenhun jonga. Ulaong syuk ba dan pisa bat kinu Kiba kwah pisa kila banet kiwei ki party. Saleng ulaong ba ula banduai na kabenta jongki, bat ka jingtmu jang barok kalong banyada ya upat garu, jong kajala bat kaniam. Ha kabayade ba ka jing penyeng kyrtong ka TMC, ulaong kasyong hakara jongki. Ha bakali ya ka India Block, Saleng ulaong kani kala benjia kerpang tang Hawas Bengal. Syakiwei pat kibenta kari, kim syamlakran AA halor kani hadu menta.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.
Seat is prestigious because every seat will determine the power of voters and for the people only. So that way you cannot say that Tura is only the prestigious seat. Every voter is a prestigious voter, and then every voter will definitely decide what not to want to. And then when you talk about the power and liquors, I don't give liquors during my election also, and I don't give and I will not give tomorrow also. If somebody wants to drink, go for somebody. I cannot offer drinks to anybody. I may be poor, I may not be poor, but I will never entertain liquors by me and by my team. And then moreover money, I don't have money. So those who want money, let them go to other party. I don't have money. I just have a prayer and I can offer a prayer for them. My whole objective is to protect my people, protect Garo Hills, protect Meghalaya, and then protect our religion. That's all. Yes, definitely that might be, but especially only for the that West Bengal area, I think so. Other part of the India, they are not having any talks till now.